something a little bit easier today. Well, actually they're quite fiddly, but all the same. TeraDrive floppy drive. So we're simply replacing two capacitors in each. They are 47 UF and 10 UF. Both, I think these are rated at V. What's V on the Panasonic FPs? I want to say that's 25 or 35 volt. Anyway, these differences to a normal floppy drive include there's no power connector on the back. There is sort of space for one, like it was an option, but it actually is integrated into the TeraDrive power cable, which is kind of cool. Annoying because it makes it a bit more unique, which is bad for repairs, but this is sort of a preventative maintenance more than anything. And there's the serial number, so 03464 on this one and 03465, so they're a little pair, and they came out of the Model 2 TeraDrive, which has two floppy drives. So let's do some sped up video. Quite liking these at the moment, because then I can put on some rock and roll music, not get a copyright strike, and you guys can listen to some music I picked off in Computech. Beautiful. Let's get it underway. These tweezers are absolutely terrible at desoldering capacitors that have leaked. All they do is they heat up the capacitors enough to make them explode and melt the plastic around them. Don't know if I'll be able to get a focus on that, but let's try. Look at that. Woo! Poor capacitor. Poor capacitors. What do? You go back to high speed. You wouldn't even know I tore the ribbon cable. Honestly, these things are not made for people, at least not people like me. but hopefully that should rig it up to function again. Let's keep getting it back together. Well, that about does it. The 2 TeraDrive floppy drives have been recapacited, and well, one of them's been a bit mangled. It might have sliced through that cable. I don't know if you noticed the ribbon cable, but I think I was able to patch it up okay. Now, the corrosion was pretty bad on these two, and these are older than the one that I'd done in the previous video, so that's possibly also why. And I think I've mastered these flex cables now. You rock them back and forth and they go in. Yeah. Well, most of them. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos. We'll be giving these two a test in a future video too. Alright. McRetro out.